show you guys how to use a metronome and how you can find your own to use on your computer or your phone. First though, what is a metronome? Well, a metronome is a device that helps you keep time while you practice. It usually plays a clicking sound, like this. Metronomes used to look a lot different. They used to be pretty bulky looking and you have to wind them up in order to use them, but now we kind of just have them on our phones like this. They used to look like this. Okay, but how do you play with it, you're probably wondering? Well, you see these numbers right here? They indicate how many beats there are in one measure. This piece is in 4/4, which means that there are 4 beats per measure. The number on the bottom indicates which note the beat is based on. The 4 means that it's based on the quarter note, so every time you play one quarter note, it should line up with the metronome, like this. But how fast or slow should it go? Well, that depends. When you're first practicing a piece, you should generally play well under tempo, which means slower than how it's performed. But when you're ready to play at performance tempo, look at the beginning of the piece, and there's usually an Italian word that tells you. In this case, this piece has the word moderato indicated as the tempo. This means moderately, which generally feels like that. Some metronomes will have presets to each tempo, like allegro or legato or presto. Sometimes pieces will have numbers that indicate what the tempo of the piece is, like this. That just means the quarter note or whatever note is put there is equal to the tempo marking. That just makes it a little easier for the digital metronomes because it has the exact number to put. So, how would the piece sound like played with a metronome? Well, it's in a moderate tempo, so I put that setting in my metronome, and it's in 4/4, so I also put in that setting. So the metronome will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So playing the music with the metronome should sound like this. Now, if you're practicing a piece that doesn't have a tempo marking, just play at the tempo that you're comfortable with, or what tempo your teacher says to practice at. So now you need your own metronome to practice with. If you don't have a physical one, there are plenty of them online. Just search in your browser online metronome and plenty of options should show up. See, there are plenty of options. A lot of them even have the BPM and the tempo word, so it makes it a lot easier. There are also plenty of free apps to download. The one I use is called Soundbrenner for my Android phone. There are many other options though in the App Store. Just make sure you or your parent/legal guardian get a free one. To get one, just go to your phone and go to the App Store and search for a metronome. There are plenty of options to choose from, so try a few out and pick the one you like best. Well, I hope you all found this video helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys can more easily find the other helpful videos on this channel. Don't forget to practice, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.